Let's look at the different ways to upload a file on Arweave using the Turbo SDK within a React app. So I had prepared here a real easy component, which is just a form that takes in a file as an input, and then there is a submit button. And then we have a handle file change to take the state of the file change from the input. But the most of the work we're going to do is going to happen in upload file, because that's where we're going to make the logic to upload the file. And just if you want to look at how the component looks like, this is how it looks like. You can select a file. Let me see. Let's say this is a file. I open up the file, and it just shows the name here, and you can click on upload. Right now, if you click on upload, nothing will happen because we haven't made that logic yet. So let's jump back in and work on the logic to make that happen. So the first thing we do here, we want to have the Turbo instance initiated by doing Turbo factory. And this you have to make sure you import from the web, because if you just do SDK, it's going to fail in the browser. So you just make sure it's coming from the web, and you do turbo factory.authenticated, because we're going to use the wallet. And for this tutorial, I'm using the RConnect wallet or the Wonder wallet. So here I pass the signer, and the signer is going to be the new RConnect signer, and we pass in the wallet, window.arweave wallet, like that. And as easy as that, we have the Turbo instance initiated. And so what you can do here is, we can check if the file is not there, and we return, because we don't want to continue if there is no file in the first place. So I do here, I wrap this in a try catch, and if there is an error, I'm just going to log the error for now. And so here I'm going to do const result is going to be equal to await turbo dot upload file. And then from here, there are two different ways that we can upload files, and I'm going to uncover both ways. So the first way is by adding a file here, and this file is going to be equal to our file. And for simplicity, we can just do this. The next thing we need to add here is data item options. And this is going to be an object that will help us add tags. I'm interested in tags at this moment. And so the tags that you can add here are just these simple tags, right? We can add app name, and this is sort of the name of our app, and then the file name, and that's going to be the name of the file that we've uploaded. And actually, when this result comes back to us, we're going to try to search this on GraphQL, and we shall see these tags, and we shall search by these tags actually. So you can pass in data item options. The third option you can pass in is abort, is signal if you want to cancel the upload after a certain time. And this is going to be abort signal dot timeout, and we can pass here a timeout in milliseconds. So I'm going to do 10 times 1,000, right? And that's going to be 10 seconds. And with that said, we can also add another variable or another parameter, and this is going to be events. So events helps you capture events as they're happening. So we have on progress, on error, and on success. And I'm going to have all of them here. So we're going to have on upload, or we're going to have on upload progress, and this is going to take in the progress, and we can log the progress. And also we're going to have on success, and this is sorry for the autocomplete. Sometimes it just autocompletes rubbish, literally. So we're going to say here, alert. This is going to be an alert, window.alert, file uploaded successfully. And also we can have on error, which we probably won't need in this case because it's as simple as this. This is not going to be this is false here, and it was auto completed. So for now I can just log in the progress, and we can see what the progress brings back to us. So with that said, I can as well come this side and just log the result, because we'll need the ID to go on GraphQL and query that. So with that saved, I come back, I try to look for a very easy file that is under 100 kilobytes, just because I do not have enough credit at the moment to upload a file that is above 100 kilobytes. So I always come back to my agent file that I always upload. So if I click on upload file, it will require me to sign my message. So when I sign, yeah, you can see file uploaded successfully. And if I click here, I code the console, you should see the result being logged and the progress as well. So yeah, you can see the progress was logged here, and we can do some fancy stuff with the progress, but that's for later. We can do things like show on the UI how the percentage of the upload till it goes to 100%. But that is a little bit above what I wanted to show in this video. But also I'm seeing we have an error here. That's saying, let me see. Yeah, the error said signal timed out. But then I'm wondering, why do we see this other one, the on success? Oh, it's not on success, it's on upload success. I think that was the error, on upload success. And also, actually, good thing we've seen how our signal works, and it has just cancelled our upload. So for now, I think I can increase that to I don't know, to maybe 50 seconds, right? Or 30 seconds. Let's just be reasonable. Put that on 30 seconds, try again, and hopefully this time around things should work. So we'll reload, we'll try again. Look for the same file, agent.jpg, right here. Try to upload that. It will ask me to sign. And yeah, you can see file uploaded successfully. So if I click OK, yeah, we should see the result that is coming back to us, and also still the progress is there. So what I do here is I'm going to copy this ID and search for it on GraphQL, so that you can see the same tags that we had here. So I come here, I do Arweave GraphQL, and yeah, I have already the query, so I just need to change the ID to my current ID and try to search for that. And you should see, yeah, the tags are here. We have app name, our drive, and file name is agent.jpg. And as you can see, this confirms that's the file that you have just uploaded. Coming back, we're going to change this a little bit. I think we shall keep most of the stuffs, but we shall just change this, which is the way of uploading the file. So the second way of uploading the file that we're going to cover here is by using the file stream factory. So I do file stream factory, and this is going to be a function that streams the file. And we also need another variable here, which is file size factory, and this is going to be the size of our file. And so yeah, with that said, this looks good. We can save again the file, and we shall try to upload using this other method. So if I come back here, I try to upload the same file again. Where is that file? It's agent.jpg, right? And if I click open, I just need to clear the console so that you can see it clearly. I click upload file. I need to sign this, and yeah, you can see file uploaded successfully. Okay, and right here you should see the result coming back to us. And also in the result here, you can see, since the file is under 100 kilobytes, it used 0 Winston credits, right? So which means the file was uploaded for free. You can also see the owner. The owner is my wallet address, and I can prove that by opening my Wonder Wallet. If I click right here, you should see the same address is here, which shows that I'm the owner of the file that I've just uploaded for free. And those are the two ways you can upload a file, a single file to be precise, on Arweave using the Turbo SDK within a React app. In the upcoming video, I'm going to show you how to upload data on Arweave or how to upload a folder on Arweave using Turbo within a React app. So watch out for that, and I'll see you there.